Hi, I'm Willis from Wilson's Estate Agency. I thought it'd be a really good opportunity, since we've just started the new financial year, to take a look back on the last 12 months of real estate on the peninsula, just to see how we're tracking. So the number one question I keep getting asked is, how's the market? Well, in short, the market's been extremely hot. We've had low interest rates combined with low levels of property for sale and increased buyer demand, which has pushed prices to record levels in most cases. What I mean by that is, a lot of properties that are currently being sold have multiple buyers making offers on the same property, which obviously leads to shorter time on the market and higher prices. Now, if we take a look back at property from a little bit longer ago, we've actually seen prices increase on average by over 40% in the last 5 years. Now, why is that? We've had a huge amount of investors actually looking to invest in properties. A lot of these investors are obviously looking for higher rental yields, but also the possibility to build granny flats, which has become really big on the peninsula in the last couple of years. So speaking from personal experience, out of my last 50 sales, 48% of those have actually been purchased by investors. Now, that's a really big amount. What does that mean for you? Well, if you're looking at selling your property somewhere in the near future and you think that your best buyer might be an investor, you need to look at things from an investor's standpoint. What do they look for when they're buying properties? They want to get the best available rent return, have the lowest possible headaches, and by that I mean maintenance and ongoing costs. So people continually ask, before I put my property on the market, do I really need to fix that door or paint that wall or do the gardens up? From an investor's standpoint, that can actually be really important. If an investor looks at your home and thinks that they might have a lot of ongoing maintenance or presentation is going to put tenants off and lead to a lower rent yield, it can actually hurt your end sale price. And now we are actually in the middle of winter, being in July, but a lot of people out there will be thinking of putting their properties on the market come springtime, when the weather's a little bit warmer and the gardens are in full bloom. So what can you do now to prepare your garden for the warmer months and spring ahead? A few expert tips include planting any compost or manure into your garden beds now to allow that to soak into the soil and have that settle before spring. Now's also the time to look to trim or prune back any hedges around the property, and it's also the opportune time to move any roses or deciduous plants which are actually dormant at this time of year. Now lastly, before we finish, if you're looking for a little bit of exercise and to contribute to a good cause, there's a really good event coming up on Sunday the 9th of August in Woy Woy. It's called the Walk to Defeat MND, and it's looking to raise funds and awareness for people currently living with motor neuron disease. The walk starts at 10 AM from Memorial Park at Brick Wharf Road. It's friendly for people with prams and dogs. Everyone's encouraged to attend, and goes for approximately 5.5 kilometres. So it's a nice easy walk and you'll be contributing to a great cause. For more information, you can visit mndnsw.asn.au. Thank you for taking part today and watching the video. I hope you've got something out of it, and I hope to see you again soon.